guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Shanice Danae. If you are new here, I share tips when it comes to becoming an influencer, what it takes to grow your channel on YouTube. I also want you guys to learn from my mistakes, what I did, why my channel is where it is, and what you can do for your channel to even surpass me. So if you are interested, then keep on watching.
You say it's special. One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level. That's what.
So today's video, we're going to be discussing about things that I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel that nobody told me. Because I swear, if someone told me these things, I will not be sitting where I am sitting today. Okay, so the first thing I wish I knew was to create a list of videos. This is something that I did not do. For one, I didn't have the patience to do it. Two, I was just like, oh, I'm just going to create a video and just hope that it sticks, you know, and then create different content. So, and when I say by different content, I mean I wasn't following that one video. I was just doing any kind of videos, vlogs, makeup tutorials, anything you could think about, I was doing. Which, don't do that. Don't be me. You know, honestly, write out a list of videos that you want to do, create your brand, so that way you're able to stay within those guidelines and follow your niche. We'll get into that a whole nother video, because that's a whole nother thing that I totally disagree with in a way, but I'll tell you guys later. Also, realizing that you can't compare yourself. I used to compare myself to other channels. If I'm being realistic and honest with you guys, I used to compare myself to people all the time. Like, I was that type of person that would post my video, right? I would post my video and I would like do like the little down button, you know, when you're like keep scrolling because you're like, oh my god, I had my video up for 2 minutes and only one person seen it. That was me. So something that I would give advice to myself now is to just like post a video. People watch it, they watch it. If they don't, they don't. You can't force someone to watch your video, or you can't make yourself upset when someone doesn't watch your video. I don't know why I felt like that, but honestly, it was just something that was natural. And I'm pretty sure, whether you wanted to admit it or not, you felt the same way. Another thing is to make it fun. There's no rules to this, guys. You don't have to sit at the same place the entire time you're creating a video, even if it's not a vlog. Get creative. Do things that make you happy. Do things that's a signature for you. Okay, so another thing that I did not do, and that's something that I wish that I did know, I didn't create like separate emails. Like, I use the same email for what I set my YouTube channel up to, as well as you know, I use that as my email when people wanted to contact me. And so because of that, there's so much junk email that goes into the email that I set my account with. I did not separate it and create a PR email, which is something that I wish that I would have known, because yeah, like I lost out on so many different brand deals, sponsorship things, all kind of stuff. Like, I've been on YouTube for 10 years, y'all. Can y'all imagine the stuff that I had lost? It's a lot. So don't be like me, learn from my mistakes, because obviously you want to have a separate email so that way you're not, you know, wasting your time, but you're missing out on opportunity. So something else is creating a Google AdSense account, right? You can monetize your videos all you want to, guys. Like, you can monetize until you are face in the blue. Face in the blue? You can monetize until you're blue in the face. What in the world, face in the blue? You guys know what I meant. But if you don't set up a Google AdSense account, where's your money going? You have to set that up. Like, set up a Google AdSense account, link it to your bank account, link it to your YouTube channel. Especially if you have over 4,000 views, you definitely want to set up your Google AdSense account so that way you can monetize your videos. Something that I didn't take in consideration when I first started my YouTube channel is copyrighted music. Copyrighted music is so detrimental when it comes to your YouTube channel. That's something that I did not follow at all. Like, I would literally I would have all kind of music on my especially if it was like, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel because people are gonna watch it because of that. No. If anything, I was giving them money because I was using their copyrighted music, so all the money that I was making was going to them. You do not want to miss out on your coins. So therefore, make sure that you are using non-copyrighted, I repeat, non-copyrighted music, so that way you are able to get your credit. You know, you work so hard, you take all this time to edit your videos. You want to make sure that you're using non-copyrighted music in your videos, so that way you can monetize them. Okay, so another thing that I really didn't take serious, I wouldn't say that I didn't know, it's just that I didn't take it serious. Like, I wasn't being consistent. And when I say consistent, like, I wasn't uploading videos weekly, guys. I was uploading videos like once a month, if that. And I don't encourage you to do that, because there's so many, I mean, literally there's billions of new users every single day. Millions, billions, whatever you want to name it. There's a lot. So you can get lost in the sauce if you are not uploading, you know, regularly, so that way you can get pushed up on the algorithm, so that way people can see your videos. Okay, so if you are not posting regularly, then why did you start your YouTube channel in the first place? I shouldn't say that, but I feel like it does help. It does help. And that's something I didn't do. Like, I would post a video like once a month here, every 3 months there, every 6 months there, because I mean, I did have a life, you know, so I was just like, you know, I'll just post whenever. And then now I'm like, sitting here with 20,000 subscribers and 200 views per video. And that's why, because I decided to do what I want to do and not follow the algorithm, because I'm stubborn. And YouTube is just so much. Another thing that I struggled with, and that's something that I wish that I knew, was to just be myself and not try to be someone else, right? So what I mean by that is that you watch a lot of videos and it's a lot of things that you're like, oh my God, like, I want to do that. I want to do what she's doing because, or he's doing, because it's something I want to do. That is fine. You can do that. The only difference is that if you are trying to actually be them and become them and actually, like, you know, record your videos just like them, then it's going to come across as fake. It's not going to come across as real, because you're not being yourself. You're not showing your personality. You know what I mean? So people are going to look at you like a robot, because you're going to be sitting there like, hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm here to show you how to grow your channel. Like, they're probably thinking like, oh, like, she's just copying so-and-so, or she's just saying exactly the same thing that so-and-so was saying. Don't do that, because people are going to see it. Another thing is to just don't get wrapped up into the numbers, guys. I used to, oh my God, I still kind of do it. My name is Shanice, and I'm confessing. I still kind of get wrapped up in the numbers, and it's so hard. But it's something that I wish that I knew not to do, because it's like, why? You know, like, it's just make the videos for you at the end of the day. Have fun with it. Enjoy the message that you're trying to share. And genuinely, if people like you for you, they're going to follow you. They're going to comment, you know, they're going to support you no matter what. So try not to get so wrapped up with the numbers. And I still kind of, I wouldn't say that, no, I'm lying. I still struggle with it. I still struggle, because I'm just like, oh, okay, so like, oh my gosh, like, I only had like 3 subscribers this month. Maybe like nobody likes me. I'm kidding. But I'm just saying, you know, you just want to make sure that you're just doing things that people want to watch, and don't get wrapped up on the numbers, because you cannot compare your success to someone else's success no matter what. And that doesn't go for just YouTube. That just goes for in life in general. Okay, the biggest thing that I wish I knew, and this has to be literally the biggest thing, guys, the biggest thing that nobody ever tells you, is to look into your camera lens. Is to look into your camera lens. I feel like nobody told me this. I didn't know. I did not know. I was looking at my viewfinder. I'll be looking at y'all like this. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Shanice Danae. If you are new here, like, and it looks weird because I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at the viewfinder. Or I would be like looking up somewhere, or just not looking in the wrong places, looking at the mic, and just looking real stupid on camera, because, well, I'm not looking in the camera lens. So that is literally like the #1 thing that I wish that I knew, especially starting out, is to look into the camera. It's so simple, but it's something that I did not do. So another thing that is so important, guys, that it took me so long to figure out, I did not know that keywords matter. Keywords matter so much when it comes to creating a YouTube channel. You know, the tags, and whenever you're uploading a video, a lot of people ignore those tags that are at the bottom of the video, and you don't place those tags. You have to put the tags. That's the only way that you're going to be able to go up on the algorithm for people to watch your videos. This is something that I did not do. This is something so simple. It's something that I did not do. Okay guys, I feel like this can keep going on and on, so I'm going to stop the video here. But if you want to see more videos like this, please leave me a comment down below. Make sure you thumbs up this video and let me know so that way I can make more for you guys. But until next time, you guys know what I always say. Deuces!